Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can check if your site has a sitemap and how you can check this manually without the Google Search Console. I'm sure you must have taken a client who doesn't have a Google Search Console. For that you'll have to install and check and do all this steps. But if you really want to check this very fast manually using Google, this is how you can do it. Just open a new tab and in Google just type site colon and go back to the website that you're auditing or you want to check and go to the most important pages like this one, tutorials, and just copy this link and paste this here and search. If you don't see any results for this one after you enter site and colon and this URL that you want to manually check, that means this is not listed and there is no sitemap on your website. And if there is a sitemap, I'm sure the reason why this is not listed is because some of the pages are excluded from that sitemap, and you'll have to fix that mistake from the Google Search Console by going to the sitemap and manually navigating to each page to see if this is indexed by Google or not. So now this is one of the page that is not indexed. If I take this block page and try to search this manually, this will give me no result because these pages are not indexed and there's no sitemap on my website currently. So that's how you can manually check all the links, all the important links only on your site on Google by just entering site colon and the URL that you want to check if this is listed, if this is indexed by Google. And what sitemap does is it will list out all the important URLs for the Google to index so that your pages like your service page or your product pages are ranked and listed or indexed by Google for you to get the rankings and the leads and the possible business. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.